Marie Curie. We know her, of course, for the discovery of radium and polonium and all her studies on radioactivity. In fact, in 1903, together with her husband Pierre, she received the Nobel Prize in Physics. She went on in 1911 to win a second Nobel Prize, first woman ever to do that, and that was in 1911. But the Curies, interestingly enough, were interested in other phenomena than radioactivity. For example, spiritualism. They had heard about an Italian self-declared medium by the name of Giuseppe Palladino, who claimed to be able to levitate tables with the help of spirits. And the Curies asked her for a demonstration, which she was happy to do. Mary was very skeptical about what she saw, but Pierre was a believer. He could not explain how this could have been done without trickery. He was convinced that he had been a very careful observer and that there was no way that he could have been taken in, and therefore he thought that she must have been for real. The fact is that there are many ways to accomplish this feat of levitating a table, either using an accomplice or rocking the table until you can squeeze a toe under it and levitate it. This certainly can be done, and in fact, this has been demonstrated. Johnny Carson, of course, was an amateur magician who very often invited magicians on to debunk mediums, and Milburn Christopher, a well-known magician, was a guest with Johnny Carson and showed exactly how a table levitation can be carried out. Madame Palladino was caught cheating a number of times, but her manager explained, yes, she sometimes had to cheat. Why? Because the spirits didn't always come at beck and call, and when they were not appearing, she had to cheat. Why? Because the public expected her to be able to perform all the time. And some people actually bought that. So the truth of it is that nobody can levitate a table without having some sort of outside help, and that doesn't come from the spirits. But Pierre was convinced that he was a great scientist and that he could not be taken in by trickery. That is not the case. Many scientists have been taken in by the tricks of fake mediums, psychics, and spiritualists of all kinds. And that, for today, is our Cup of Joe.